creating and editing tasks is a pretty common thing that a teacher will be using this system for. Tasks and assignments are one and the same. The program calls them tasks, you call them assignments. It doesn't really make a difference. In order to create a task, there's two ways you can get to it. You can either go to Tasks and then New Task, or you can click on New Task. The first time you create a task for the day, the screen will pop up. So you're going to give it a task name. So make sure that you are descriptive enough so that other people understand. 'Cause you have to remember, you're not the only one who's going to be looking at some of this information. So I'm going to create a task, just calling it Moodle Quiz. It's a really good idea to put the date assigned, and you can either use the calendar feature, or you can just physically type in the date, whatever date you may need. Make sure you put the full year. If you use types, you would set the type here. Out of is the raw score, so what's the total points possible? I'm going to make this worth 20 points. Now I can set a scale factor so that it will determine the value of the points. So 1.0 sets it up as, it's worth 20 points. I could go 0.5, I can go 10 if I want to. I can set a maximum allowed score. So if I go over that, it will give me a warning. I can still go over it, but it will at least warn me. And then I can create it, and it will appear on my list. Now I can edit those tasks. Let's say I change the due date. And there's two ways I can do that. I can go to Tasks, Edit Task, or I can click on the toolbar icon. I can switch between tasks if I want to. I can change what I need to, and this is also where I would change and tell it to allow exporting Integrade Pro link, which means if I remove this checkbox, then parents will not be able to see this assignment showing up on the InTouch Online system.